much. Buddy, elephant. Buddy, elephant. What's the difference?
What do you think? Well, can you see them, honey?
See, it's all squishy on the back whenever they step.
Yeah. And they're not in there.
Come
honey,
here,
they're
come here,
out
come here.
You want me to
Those
hold
things
you
are
up
so
so you can see
cute.
better?
Well done, Nick. They're elephants.
Honey, there's no elephants in there. Grammy just said no elephants in there. They're all out here.
outside. Dude, they're so big.
Grammy, that's what Grammy went and checked. They're all out here. So if you want to see one, I can.
That little black spot right there is their poop, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, let me hold you up to see so much turn.
Elephant poo poo is huge, huge.
Elephant poop is
I'm about to make a very cringy joke. Elephant poop is huge.
Nick, stand right here. Stand right where I'm standing. Wait, stand right there and look over there through that fence.
Oh dear God, that's a big pile of poop. Oh my God.
Cam,
Must
Cam,
zoom
stand right here.
in. It's a bunch of poo poo.
Missing a fence.